Climate change is a variation in the climate that is directly or indirectly attributed to human activities that alter the global composition of the atmosphere and the climate variability that has been compared with other periods of our time. Currently is one of the biggest changes of our time. The scientists need tools to measure how the Earth responds to changes. Some of these tools are global climate models.
Global climate models use mathematics to describe how the Earth works, and one of the most commonly used ways to predict such models and trigonometric functions. So we are going to take this example to explain how does it work.
First, we need to organize our values in a scatter plot. In this line, we organize the time, and in this line, we organize the temperature. By organizing our values, we notice that it has a behavior of a cosine function. It starts from the bottom, goes to the top, and ends in the bottom. So we figured out that it was a cosine function. The first value we wanted to find was the vertical shift. That is the movement of the graphic in the y-axis. To find the vertical shift, we need to add the maximum value with the minimum value and divide all of this by 2. The maximum value in this case is 82.2 and the minimum value is 48.6. The result of this is 65.4. So this is our vertical shift.
The second value that we get was the amplitude, that is with the maximum value minus the minimum value divided by 2. In this case, the maximum value was 82.2 and the minimum value was 88.6, and the amplitude is 16.8. The third value was the period. The period is the formula of the period is 2 pi divided by W, and W is 2 times the time of the maximum value minus the time of the minimum value. In this case, the time in the maximum value was 8 and the time in the minimum value was 1. That is 7 by 2, 14, and that's our period 2 pi divided by 14. The last value was the horizontal phase shift, that is the time on the maximum value, that in this case was 8, and our complete formula was 16.8 cosine of 2 pi divided by 14 x plus 8 plus 65.4.